Hello people, I'm going to Mexico. What I know about Mexico, not much. I keep hearing how nice and warm and kind the people are out there, how beautiful the nature is, how food is good, and how much crime is there. I'm worrying a little bit, but you know, sometimes we are getting used to be too much safe, so that we isolate ourselves from the wonders of the world, because the world is beautiful. And if you think about it, like all the people in the world, we speak different languages, we have different background, we live in different climate and time zones, and we have different cultural background, but at the end of the day we are all connected and we all are one. So I'm willing to take this risk to connect more to the world. That's why I'm going out there with my motorcycle each time. Motorcycle is alone on itself is a lot of risk, but it unlocks some powers as well. Packing everything on the bike, most importantly water, snacks and documents. I have maps. Love my new tank bag. A perfect size and comfortable when I'm standing. Moscow Moto products make me a bit happier each time I order something. So thank you guys. Last breakfast before departure. I'm on Highway 5. Let me stop the music. Yep, I'm going via Highway 5 and it's just about mileage today. I'm gonna get to Mexican border to cross it tomorrow morning. Full tank. Fuel again.
Looks like you're traveling a long way.
Yeah, I'm going to Mexico. Yeah.
Are you a blogger?
I just started my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm a little bit.
A young lady like you that made a trip up through Canada and the islands in the northwest province of Canada. Is that you?
No.
On your way to Alaska.
I think you are talking about Itchy Boots. She was blonde hair, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's not me.
Oh.
But yeah, I know who are you talking about.
Well, you travel safe.
Thank you.
South.
Yep, yep. A little bit windy here. Just a little bit. Oh, it's so cold. It is much more windy when closer to the hills. Warming up here. I wonder why most of the cafes in the United States don't have hot tea. They all have coffee, but for tea it's only an iced option. That's some cultural thing, I guess. I don't really like to ride between the cars, but sometimes you just want to get home sooner. And how nice the people are. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I also have a weird request. Do you have a pen with red ink and clear scotch? Yeah, this one is perfect.
Okay. And here's some scotch tape.
Okay. I'll return it in the evening.
Okay.
It's 7:30 p.m. in the evening, and I finally made it to the hotel, and it's right before Mexican border. I will be crossing Mexican border tomorrow morning. A little bit nervous. Everything gonna be fine. Here we go. I'm a normal person. Just absolutely normal.